So in the last video we have seen that how the a common man, that was Dharamveer, had made a food processor machine, and that machine not only changed his life but also the life of that women who were self-help group, but still they were facing so many problems in their work. So Dharamveer had grasped the opportunity which was demanded at that moment and had changed his life, and that itself is considered as business environment. So this was the business environment where Dharamveer had recognized the need of the time, the need of the peoples, and had understand how can he be helpful to others and how can make his life to uplift. The above example shows how a machine invented by Dharamveer Kamboj made life easier for women workers in unorganized sector. This innovation resulted in a positive impact on food processing business, that is social, economical and technological, in addition to enhancing quality of life. Let us continue our chapter with the meaning of business environment. As already I had explained you the meaning in simple terms, let us continue with much more knowledge about business environment. The term business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institutions, and other forces that are outside the control of a business enterprise, but that may affect its performance. As one writer has put it, just take the universe, subtract from it the subset that represent the organization, and the remainder is environment. Thus, the economic, social, political, technological, and other forces which operate outside a business enterprise are part of its environment. So, also the individual consumers or competing enterprise, as well as the government, consumers, groups, competitors, courts, media, and other institutions working outside an enterprise constitute its environment. The important point is that these individuals, institutions, and forces are likely to influence the performance of a business enterprise, although they happen to exist outside its boundaries. For example, changes in government's economic policies, rapid technological developments, and political uncertainty, changes in fashions and tastes of consumers, and increased competition in the market all influence the working of business enterprise in important ways. Increase in taxes by government can make things expensive to buy. Technological improvements may render existing products obsolete. Political uncertainty may create fear in the minds of investors. Change in fashion and taste of consumers may shift demand in the market from existing products to new ones. Increased competition in the market may reduce profit margins of firms. On the basis of the foregoing discussion, it can be said business environment has the following features. Totality of external forces. Business environment is the sum total of all things external to business firms and as such is aggressive in nature. These external forces constitute all the things which we have discussed in the upper point. Like for example, suddenly the demand of the goods decreases as a fashion and taste of consumer change. Maybe the political situation, that politics has changed, and because of that business also have to change some of the measures which they are taking and which makes their business to work smoothly. Technology which never remains constant, it always changes with the changing time. It can affect the business. So many things are there which can be hurdle in the businessman survival. If businessmen want to exist, then they have to cope up with this type of problems which they are facing day by day. So to come out from these problems, we have to understand the environment in which the business is existing. That is itself is the meaning of business environment. Business environment refers to all the external and internal factors which affect or interact with the business indirectly or directly. Let us learn more about the business environment meaning by the second point, that is specific and general forces which are a part of business environment. Business environment include both specific and general forces. Specific forces such as investors, consumers, competitors and suppliers affect individual enterprises directly and immediately in their day-to-day working. Why these are considered as specific force? Because business always interact with these people, and they are common for the business. That is the investor who finance for the business, customer who will purchase and for whom we are making, and on whom the business is dependent. Competitors and suppliers, that are a very important part, as competitors always not only compete with us but also motivates us to do something good, otherwise we will be remaining constant with our things. And suppliers, who are a very important part, whatever thing we want to produce, the supplier help us to get the things very effectively, so that in time we can produce and we can provide the goods to the consumer. So these are the parts of our business, and that are considered as specific forces. These peoples always help us to do the business, but in case they will be against, then it will be difficult for our business to survive. General forces such as social, political, legal and technological condition. Never we thought that social, political, legal and technological condition can affect the business, but the thing is that these are the important rather than the specific force. As specific force we can communicate, we can deal, but general forces which are common for the whole society, it is very difficult to handle them. Like for example, social customers which never remains, which whose demands is always flexible. Political environment has politics always changes in a 5 year time or in a 3 years time, it depends, and because of that also the business gets affected. Legal, many law are forming and that can affect our business. Technological condition, has technology, I already said, it never remains constant, it can affect the business. So a businessman have to cope up with the specific and general forces to be in a business for a longer period of time, and it may affect an individual firm indirectly as well as directly. The third point which we will be going to learn is interrelatedness. Different elements or parts of business environment are closely interrelated. For example, increased life expectancy of people and increased awareness for healthcare have increased the demand for many health products and services like soft drinks, fat-free cooking oil, and health resorts. New health day products and services have in turn changed people's lifestyle. It says that interrelatedness, whatever thing we are producing, it must related to the society in which the business is surviving. And this relatedness can be made when we are making such a type of product which is demanded and which is healthier for the people, as health is the most important thing for the people's life, and if people's health is good, they will demand the goods more and more. So such a type of goods are demanded which makes the life of the people easier as well as healthier. For example, it has been said increased life expectancy of people. Like for example, earlier the soft drinks were demanded like cold drinks and all, but now the cold drinks has been replaced with the healthy drinks and the energy drinks. Like for example, it has been soft drinks place cold drink places has been taken by the energy drinks that can analyze the people, and and can make the people's life healthier. Fat free cooking oils, you can see the advertisement daily, it is coming that fat free, because oil is consisting much more fat and can be dangerous for our heart, and for that many type of oils are coming which can make the life of the people healthier. So these are the way of examples which can make the people's life easier by making such a, if the businessman makes such type of product which are demanded by the customers. Dynamic nature. Business environment is dynamic in that it keeps on changing, whether in terms of technological improvement, shifts in consumer preferences, or entry of new competition in the market. So business environment must be dynamic in nature. It must change with the changing time. As we can see, this particular situation which is very difficult for us to go to school, in the same way it is very difficult for the businessman to do the business, as many of the production industries has been stopped because of this pandemic situations, and now the goods are not easily available in the market. So businessman, if there are already having such idea which can cope up with this type of situation, then they can exist in this pandemic situation in this difficult time also. And we can see the result now. Many businesses are there whose business not stop even now, they are just going on running with this particular dangerous and terrible time. So that is said, business must have dynamic nature so that it can make all the people's convinced and helpful. Uncertainty. Business environment is largely uncertain as it is very difficult to predict future happenings, especially when environment changes are taking place too frequently as in the case of information technology or fashion industries. So business environment, it always help us to largely uncertain as it is very difficult to predict the future happenings. As we can see, the business cannot predict the future. It can only predict what they can do for the future, but it cannot make the things which can come by the nature or by the political things. So business must have some ideas that can cope up them for the uncertainty which can happen.